Hello everyone, this is Braden Milner with Florida Future Realty and welcome to your March 1st market update. Today we'll be discussing the latest updates and trends in the Southwest Florida housing market, so stay tuned and let's get started. First things first, interest rates are currently still on the rise. At the beginning of this month, we're currently at a 6.95% average interest rate. Compare this to the 6.36% at the beginning of last month, we are at a substantial increase. As you can see, interest rates have been increasing steadily over the past few months. This means that buyers now have less purchasing power, which has resulted in a decrease in average sales price of around 11% last month. However, despite this decrease, the number of closed sales has remained fairly level. We've only lost 47 total sales in the last month. However, this number is down 32.2% compared to the same time last year. The median days on market has also increased. This means that homes are taking much longer to sell than in previous months. Median home on market time has increased 13.64% from the previous month and an impressive 316.7% from last year. Additionally, active inventory has increased by 7.4% from last month. This is up 36.3% compared to the same time last year. As a homeowner, this market update can provide some insight into the current state of the housing market. If you've been considering selling your home, buyers now have less purchasing power due to rising interest rates. This has resulted in a near 11% decrease in the average sales price last month. It may also take a longer time to find a buyer than in previous months due to the increase in inventory and buyer uncertainty due to rising interest rates. Since there will be more competition to find a potential buyer, it is recommended to work with a real estate agent to price the home right and make it stand out on the market. For home buyers, the increase in days on market and lower average sales price may present an opportunity to negotiate better prices and be able to find a home that fits your needs. While the Southwest Florida housing market is showing signs of a potential shift, both homeowners and home buyers can benefit from the current market conditions by staying informed and working with a real estate agent. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the current market conditions or if you or anyone you know are looking to buy or sell a property, I'd love to assist you. I can be reached anytime by call or text at 239-634-8639, or you can email me at contact@bradenmilner.com. You can also visit my website, bradenmilner.com, for blog posts, property search, and tools on purchasing a home. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Thank you.